Welcome back. Glass City Fishing. Jeremy Wade Sucks Dick presents I'm hoping that we're gonna catch something here. Usually a good area to fish. It's a little early in the season still. Let's see what happens. Know me, how I roll. I'll throw every fucking lure I have trying to catch a fish. That's how I do shit. Something's bound to work, right? But we'll see. See what happens. See how things shake out. I mainly stay with the same few for the most part. Just because that's what's always worked. Why change it if it's working, right? Ain't no point of that. Ain't no fucking point of that. My fisher friends. Oh, I fucking had one. It came off, dude. I don't know if I snagged it or what. But that was definitely a fucking fish. Not working out real good for me right now, YouTube friends. Oh, mother. Shad. Shad. It's a $7 banger. Going real slow and kind of popping it. But that's like twice I fucking lost it. Of course I'd snag. What? No, I snapped off on something.
Really?
Yeah.
There's some nice bass in here.
Yeah. Thank you. What is that?
It's like a blue pink fire tiger green bait. If it works, I'm gonna go buy like 7 more of them.
Bass Pro?
Yeah.
Just like
Brand, but, yeah.
it's like 9-hour lure. Well, I threw it twice and broke off. I don't have no more. I lost the other one here. Yep. A little bit of action, but got caught in the snag, broke me off. All you real fishermen know how that goes. It's kind of like first time you ever get some, and then the fucking condom breaks, so you're stuck with that bitch. And what I mean by that is now I'm stuck with the fucking lures. I don't have no more of the one that got the bite. So now it's like searching, trying to figure out your new life. You know what I mean? That makes sense. Makes sense to me, but it might not make sense to y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all feel me? That's like, damn. I was hitting shit. And now, never again. But, you know, part of the game is what it is. It's definitely part of the game that we play. We'll see. There's a fish. A little dinky one, but it's a fish. Think so. Oh, come on, broski. I had it out. I had you free. Yeah, I had you fucking free. Why'd you do that? Brian, you got pliers? Man, I don't want him to fucking die. Brian, you got pliers? Yeah. Need them. Let's take your time, dude. Oh, you fuck. There's that fish I killed. Nice. Brian got one. That on that lure?
Purple.
Need your pliers back? Pop it down.
What?
Pop it down. I promise we're really not this bad at fishing. Huh? Nice one. Looks like she's pregnant too. The other one's dead right by you.
I saw him go by.
I didn't mean to kill him. Oh, he spit it. It's not the one I killed. Trying. There's always somebody who wants to get their ass kicked. You know, there's always that one person that sees you catching fish and then tries to come jump your spot. He noticed I had the big machete on my arm. He went down a little bit farther. But there's always that one dickhead who tries to do that shit. Like, oh, at least the fish are biting over here. Let me come and fucking jump your fucking spot. Like, you don't know me, bro. I've gotten in like 18 fucking fights down here in the last 2 years. Been stabbed in my face. I take no nothing. I'm all precaution when it comes to fucking shit like this now. You're just gonna get fucked up. Period. Oh, look. Real, bam, snap. Lost another fucking lure. Running out of shit that's working. But you know what I mean, people? There's always that one motherfucker that does that shit. He sees you in your party or whatever catching shit, and they come and make a little stupid comment like, oh, hey, there's always a fucking, at least the bass are biting down here. Let me come down here and see if I can jump your spot. And it's not that the bass aren't biting where he was at. He just don't know what the fuck he's doing because he looks like a fucking dumb hillbilly fuck. Can almost bet my worth and weight that he don't have a license. Which, none of my business, but you know, you should probably steer clear of motherfuckers if you don't even have a license to fish. And I'm just speculating, so I'm not saying that he don't. He might. But he did definitely come and try to jump my spot and then got snagged. And look, you know how I know he tried to jump the spot? It's because he didn't even fucking bring no other shit with him. Just his pole and whatever fucking gay ass lure he's fucking trying to throw. And that's all he's got. You fucking figure deal me? Nothing else on the spectrum. Just them two fucking things. So it's like, come on, man. Niggas aren't stupid. You're kind of stupid looking, but most motherfuckers aren't stupid. And you run across somebody like me who just smacked the fuck out of some dude and bashed his head off the fucking concrete for work last night. It's like, that shit ain't gonna play out with me, bro. Cause I really don't give a fuck about your life or my life or anybody else's life. You just get smacked up on camera. The only bad thing about these crankers is they don't float back up. They just stay down, so they go every which fucking way. And makes it hard sometimes in the streets. You should see the look on my son's face when that guy come down here and said that shit. He was like, come on, you fucking hillbilly fuck. Do something. I know my son. My son's like me. He don't play that stupid shit. He don't do that stupid shit. He don't give a fuck. He's like me. He fucking smacks the fuck out of somebody. People try to play dumb games and shit, and they'll just get smacked in their mouth. That's all there is to it. So to me, that shit's fucking hilarious, but to the people that end up getting smacked in their mouth, probably not so much. Shit's funny though. Brian. Brian. Now that, my friends, is a nice fish.
I'm your huckleberry.
There you go. Nice little largie. No. Inline and this fucker caught the biggest one I had. Purple caught the biggest one I had.
I'm your huckleberry.
I don't know. Almost dead. Almost dead. Fuck me, man. Broke off again. Catch a fish, then I break off. Then I catch a fish, then I break off. Catch a fish, then I break off. You want to throw down here? You want to throw down here? There's like some, about 20 feet out. There's like a, it's got to be like a tree or some shit. Right where that little hole is. Every time I hit that tree, I get a bite. It takes me down, and then I fucking break off. But we're about out of battery, so I'll film you and talk to the people and shit. 'Cause I'm tired of breaking off and tying back on.
I'm just about done.
I don't know. I just want to see if you catch. There's some fucking big ones. The two that I fucking lost pulled way harder than that one I just caught, and he was probably 2 pounds.
The camera, I want to say that there's a weird guy in a green shirt down there.
Yeah, we were talking about it.
Yeah, keeps going back and forth. I'm thinking that his problem isn't the spot. The problem is that he's just felt that he sucks ass at fishing.
It's funny, because wait till you watch the tape back and see what I said.
And can't get, so he thinks like the spot's changing it when he's trying to feel like a fucking Jaeger or some shit.
He caught one. I seen him.
That's all, like this big. That's bait size.
Yeah, he definitely caught something.
I mean, fish is a fish.
A thing that I was telling the people was that there's always some fucking jackass that sees you catching fish and wants to come hijack your fucking spot. And he was real about that until he saw the fucking 6-inch fucking machete fucking sitting on the side of my hip.
One's like eating, glanced back like, man, don't you think about little happy ass? Hopefully somebody watches it.
Yeah. Like, sub, and subscribe. Back in Bryophyte from Night Curse Paranormal out here fishing. Glass City fishing. We out here catching shit. We catch fish. We catch ghosts. We catch demons. We'll catch your fucking mom if you let us. This is shit that we do. That's how we roll. Trump's America. Let me see if I can get a little zoom in on the jackass. I don't know if you can see him. I don't want to blatantly put him, but that's the little jackass, homeless hillbilly fuck. I threw it as far as I could, and then I just slow fucking reeled it and popped it every once in a while. And I got to about 10 feet away, there's that hole. But there's like a tree in front of it now too, because I keep getting snagged. And every time I pull out of that fucking sag, something would smash it. You got one?
Yeah, we got one. From Bonass, caught his little thing.
Right.
Bye bye, bait caster, folks. You figured out you can do that.
I can do that without a bait caster, folks. Don't let them fool you. If you like bait casters, do what you gotta do. It's been a while since my hands smelled like fish and I wasn't up in no puss. got about literally on the batteries just all lit up red. This has been Night Curse Paranormal with Glass City Fishing. Like I said, we catch everything. We catch fish, demons, ghosts, spirits, your mom, your sister, anything that we can reel in, put on camera, we'll do.
See you next time, people.
Back Zagans out. Fuck you, Zach.